It's Sunday Funday. What is happening, guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Last couple of weeks have been like total madness, guys. So many product launches happening and I've also made so many reviews. I was kind of exhausted. Now that Diwali is over, things are settling down and now I can actually focus on some interesting content for you people. It's been quite some time, right? We actually haven't made any PC build related videos. Well, you people remember just 2 weeks back, Intel finally announced their all new next gen Core Ultra desktop CPUs, right? And we got a media kit featuring both Core Ultra 9 and Core Ultra 5, and I've already posted my review and benchmarks on the Core Ultra 9. Now in that video, a lot of people actually commented saying that Vimal bhai, why don't you build like a brand new mid-range gaming PC featuring their new Core Ultra 5 CPU? And you know what? That is what I'll be doing next on my list. And I've already ordered like a couple of components for the PC build. It's a very interesting PC build, I would say, because this brand new Core Ultra 5 actually features like an improved integrated GPU, guys. So I want to see what kind of performance it'll offer. So in that video only, right, I'll show you like versatile benchmarks with and without GPU. Anyways, for that PC build only, as I've told you, I'm trying to gather some interesting parts, something new in the market. And there you go, our very first item has already arrived. It's a new case from Antec and the model is from Constellation series C8 ARGB, available in like both black edition and white edition as well. Today we have the black edition case and I'm telling you, right, this is also like a very versatile case and offers like massive customization options and beautiful aesthetics as well. What I'll do is I'll quickly unbox it and show you how the case looks like. And ta-da, boys, there you go, our brand new C8 ARGB full tower PC case from Antec came in this sort of packaging. And first of all, let me tell you, that is one massive box. Obviously it's a full tower dual chamber case, right? So there's a lot I'll have to talk about. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Plenty of cooling customization options available on this model. Let's quickly unbox it and check out the box content. As soon as you open it, at the top side we are actually getting an accessory box over here which includes two different interchangeable fan brackets. The case comes with this all new full cutout design and you can actually swap the fan brackets over there to switch between different fan size variants. Pretty cool, right? Keeping all the accessories aside, now let's finally have a look at the case we've been waiting for. Antec's all new C8 ARGB edition, and as I've told you, this is available in both black and white edition. Today we have the black edition and oh wow, look at that size. And cool thing is the case also comes with a 270-degree panoramic glass view design. Pretty cool, right? So that was our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you like a closer look at the case and talk about the design and build quality. First thing I'll have to mention, guys, it is a massive case, guys. Obviously it's an E80X full tower case and on top of that you're getting a dual chamber design, and not to miss out that beautiful 270-degree full panoramic view from front to side. And let me tell you, the case is like completely tool free, guys. You don't need any sort of screwdriver, nothing. You can easily open up all the panels on all the sides simply using your bare hands. Starting off from the front profile, you're getting a very clean and modern sort of look. You have the Antec logo on the bottom right corner, and as I've told you, you're getting glass panels, tempered glass on both the front and the side as well. So especially if you're building like a full-on ARGB sort of gaming PC build, right, with lots of RGB lighting components on the inside, case is gonna give you like a very aesthetic and lovely look. So I can't wait to actually build a PC using this case and show you how the final outlook is gonna come out. If you ask about the build quality of the case is also very nice. It's like a mix between steel, glass and polycarbonate. The entire frame of the case is obviously made of steel and that too like very nicely powder coated, and on the bottom you're getting some polycarbonate stands, and as I've told you guys, good quality tempered glass material they've used with a thickness of around 4 mm, very easily removable without any sort of tools. One more point I'd like to highlight is this particular model, the C8 ARGB, was actually designed with airflow and air circulation in mind, and that is the reason the other side panel which is actually covered, right, that also they provided fully ventilated, guys. So there is plenty of airflow happening on the inside, and on the bottom also you're getting something known as full cutout design. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. So that was basically about the exteriors. Now let me quickly open up the side glass panel and give you a closer look at the interiors as well. And there you go, here's how the inside of the case looks like, and as I've told you, this is a E80X compatible full tower case, that too with a dual chamber design. That means all the power supply cables can be hidden on the opposite end, and on the front you'll get like a very clean and aesthetic sort of look. So previously we've seen plenty of dual chamber cases, right, but most of them had this one major problem. Since the case was split into two different sections, the front area had very compact space, and because of that, at most you could only install 120 fans on the bottom profile. But looks like Antec has finally solved this issue, that too with an included interchangeable fan bracket, right? You can easily switch from 120 to all the way up to 160 fans on the bottom profile, guys, because this improves the case thermal situation and adds to the overall cooling performance. Talking about the motherboard compatibility, the case supports like almost all size motherboards, guys, from ITX, M80X, ATX to all the way up to like E80X size motherboards also. So you'll have no hassles connecting all your cables. If you ask about cooling and radiator compatibility, well, this case was specially made for cooling purpose, right? Obviously, it supports 360 radiators at 3 different positions. You can mount it at the top side profile as well, and on the bottom profile also. And let me tell you, you can even go like push-pull configuration as well on the bottom and the side. So if you actually go for like full-on liquid cooling and customization with all number of radiator used, then you can easily accommodate almost like 16 or 1720 fans. I mean, that is crazy, right? Anyways, have a look at the bottom profile over here. Remember, I was saying something about the full cutout design. So basically on the bottom side, you can install variety sizes of fans. You can choose between 120 140 or even 160 fans depending on your requirement. And for that, remember at the beginning I've shown you during the unboxing, in the package you are getting like 2 different interchangeable brackets. Well, easily swap up the brackets on the bottom of the case over here, and that is how you can either switch between 120 or 140 fans and totally remove it for a full cutout design. And now you can easily place like 2 160 fans as well. And talking about the fans, with the case you're actually getting 3 pre-installed ARGB Tranquil fans from Antec, and 2 of them are 160 fans on the bottom and one is 140 at the rear, and all of these are ARGB PWM fans. And cool part is the bottom 2 fans included actually have a reverse airflow design. And last but not the least, you might even ask about the GPU compatibility, right? Basically the maximum length. Obviously it's a very large case, massive E80X full tower case, and supports almost up to like 440 length GPUs, guys. So easily you can even go for like triple fan edition, ROG Strix edition GPU also will very easily fit over here, no hassles at all. So that is pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video, our detailed overview on Antec's all new C8 ARGB from the Constellation series, and this is what I'll be using for my upcoming Intel Core Ultra 5 PC build, which will be dropping very soon. So if you people have any sort of suggestions for the benchmarks, or you want me to run any specific apps or any sort of testing tools, right, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely try to include them in the PC build video. And last but not the least, talking about the pricing of this case, the C8 ARGB, as I've told you, is available in like both white edition and black edition as well, and the pricing is roughly around like 10 to 11,000 rupees depending on the local market or the online e-store website you're looking at. I'll try to leave link for that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Do share your thoughts, what do you think about the case, in the comment section down below. And that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for my next couple of videos. They're gonna be very interesting, and I'll see you all in my next one.